Good morning. Well, here we are again. Yes, 1 second. Well, second try. Good morning. Hi there. How are you? Well, back again to the car. Sunday morning. Just got the heater up, the lights on. Just let the garage heat up a little bit for half an hour. Because otherwise it's going to be drama. So today we're going to finish welding. I hope. Sorry about the sun. A little bit is better. We're gonna finish the welding. I'm gonna have some stickers for the daily driver. Yes, I have to promote my channel, so I'm putting some stickers on it. I'm gonna work on electric, put the front back together, I think, and maybe mount this one, mount the front bonnet, and then I think next week putting the door in, and then the car is going to up to the painter. So yes, exciting day. Getting better and better. So enjoy this video again. Okay, you have to see this part. I'm gonna show you this one. I like it. Here's the part of the car that when we got rid of the filler, the word was filler, I couldn't find it, but the word is just filler. Very simple. There was a hole in the bodywork and previous repair done wrong, to be honest. So Andy fixed it by dropping some welding spots and polishing it down until we got the shape back. It's now protected for any rust, so the body shop can do whatever necessary to get the right shape, but it looks fantastic. So Andy's now going to the front, and meanwhile I have to show you this one, and then you have to wait because I first make sure I get out of the sun, then I snap my fingers, do it again, and I'll take you outside because I am cleaning all the parts coming from the inside of the front hood. Close the door for the neighbors. So the horns going back on, the ventilation shafts will be back on today, hopefully. I have to sort out the screws. These are the parts that I made in 3D printing. You can barely buy them anywhere, so I printed them. I designed and printed them myself. The strip, closing strip, is going back on because the body shop will need that to fit the panels. And here are some more parts that will need to be cleaned, all labeled, to get back in the front of the car. So going back in, as I said before, we're picking up pace. Very happy with the way the progress we are making. So Andy is now going to work on this part, and when he finishes, there's a little part here that needs to be fixed, and the final part will be this piece, and then we are done. So let's continue. Yes, we have done welding. just saw me clean 2 parts and after cleaning I discovered I didn't need them anymore. So this is the small basket with parts I don't need anymore. Continuing cleaning. Well, that was my job today, and you still don't see the difference, I guess. But the rubber is on, the horns are back on, they look fantastic. The horn compressor is back on, the right side air conditioning thingy is back on. Left side cannot be on because the cap doesn't fit, so I have to remake that one. I made it myself, no problem. So one evening I think the front will be finished and the hood will be on, because the painter wants the hood on with the rubbers in so he can adjust everything. And he did a superb job in getting this part of the car welded, just like this one. I already showed you this one, and look at this. I hope you can see, but it feels, well, very well. So the number of boxes is shrinking, that's a good thing, and hopefully 1 week maybe, and then yeah, the car is ready for paint and I have to find new things to do. But before that, I'm gonna snap my fingers again. That's it. And I want to thank you for watching. Join me again next time. Please like, subscribe, spread the word, do whatever you want. But join me on this adventure because it's fun. Thank you very much and goodbye.